Yo, what is up? Back again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to temporarily sort your list. So in the last video, I showed you how to sort the list. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily sort your list without it actually changing the order of your list. So in the last video, we used the sort method. So in this video, we're going to be using the sorted method, where it's going to show you what the list would look like if it was sorted, but not actually change the arrangement of the elements within that list. So here we go. Go ahead and get started. We're going to run this just so we can see what it prints out. So we're going to do, Python and sort. So as you can see here, the first print statement is just going to give me back what I put in the list, and then after I run the sort method, it's going to actually sort the list. Now what if I didn't want to actually change the arrangement of the elements within the list? Then you would use the sorted method. So using the sorted method, so we're going to get rid of these, and we're going to run it again just so we can see what it has. So it's just going to give me back what I put in. Alright, so I want to print out using the sorted method. So the sorted is just going to arrange everything so it looks like it is sorted, but not actually change the elements within the list. So all you got to do is use sorted and then enter in the name of the list. And as you can see here, it simulates what it would look like if it was sorted. Now if I print out cars, you'll see that it is not actually sorted. As you can see down here on this third line, it is not actually sorted. But however, let's comment this out. Whenever you use cars.sort, it will actually sort the list. It will rearrange the elements within the list. Whereas when you only use the sorted method, it does not sort the list. As you can see here, it just simulates what it would look like if it was sorted. So this is how you use the sorted method. Let's change this. Sorted method. Whenever you are working with list. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.